The OnePlus 12 is expected to unveiled in December and in January for the global markets. It is assumed the company will add another high-end phone to the lineup shortly. That will be the OnePlus 12R. CAD based renders and details about the OnePlus level sequel 11R sequel has already been posted by OnLeaks and MySmartPrice. The new model will be unveiled in China in January and appears to be different from the recently leaked Ace 2 Pro. The OnePlus 12R will be powered by the 8 Gen 2 chipset combined with up to 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. The flagship OnePlus 12 will definitely come with the 8 Gen 3, which will be unveiled by Qualcomm in October. Another upgrade over the 11R is the addition of the zoom lens, which will be a 2x magnification with a 32 megapixel sensor. This, along with the 50 megapixel main, 8 megapixel ultra wide. The phone is expected to have a 10% larger battery at 5500 milliampere with 100 watts of fast charging. The 12R will stick close to the current OnePlus design language with the offset camera island. It will be a 6.7-inch screen with 120 Hz refresh rate, 1.5K. So it's basically the same screen as 11R. It'll have a small curve on its sides, and it will be launched in India after they unveil it in China.